So you're going to want to have your goggles on, your drone on. No need to have the receiver on. I mean the motion controller or receiver. So we're going to go here, DJI Fly. Okay, and then what you're going to, oh, nice, it's connected because we know when we see that little birdie. And then what you're going to do is see profile. You're going to select profile, and you see over here, more info. Okay, and then you see over here, that little dial, that clock, you're going to press that. Okay, and when you press it, another window will appear. Now it's loading aircraft logs. When it does that, it's going to take a little bit. It might take a minute, 2 minutes maximum. So in the meantime, while this is happening, maybe I'll create a new video so that folks can actually have that, or maybe I'll use this one because folks don't need to actually see me for this one. So after it loads, what you'll do is you'll be able to just go back, and it's just the black box data, and all that loads and it refreshes everything. I think before it was 90.5 or 80.5 hours of flight time. I can't remember because I don't really keep track of it. So you see, like, and here it is. It's the black box data. You can either push it to upload it. See that? Upload black box data to the cloud. Well, most likely it'll do it automatically. Upload black box data to help us locate issues for your product. No need to. Click cancel. They have access to it anyway. It's not like they need your permission. They probably go into the back door. And then I'm going to go back. See that? See, 90.5 hours, 897 flights, etc. And that's pretty much it. That's how you sync it. And from here, look, synchronizing flight records from goggles successful. Now, the only way this will work is also you have to be logged in. Okay, so if you're not logged in, see, I'm logged in, and you'll know because you won't see your see my email, my you can delete account or change your picture, and you just click done. So just make sure that you're logged in, and everything else will just happen naturally. Anyway, I hope this video helped you, and if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Actually, that was a great idea for this video, so I'm glad you suggested it. So if you guys are listening and watching this, feel free, because these videos would not be possible without you. They all are a collaboration of your ideas and issues that require troubleshooting, and apparently there aren't many solutions for them on YouTube, and that's why we created this channel. So again, feel free to reach out if you have ideas for other videos, because it will not only help you, but it will also help other drone pilots too.